made our way to the park and over here on Old World Road, taking it from north to south. So it looks like it'll be a lot of fun. And we got 6 bikes with us, including mine. So we'll see how it goes.
Recording.
A little bit rocky. Gotta pick the line. I think I want to go over here. Yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo.
Recording.
A few little stair steps. See, where do I want to go here? Let's see. Yeah, it looks all right. Yeah, take the right side. That'll be good. Let's see, left line, and left line again. Thank goodness for park busters. That would have hurt. Hear the mountains in the back.
Recording.
I just did a hill climb. I thought the camera was on, and it wasn't. Let's see. Gonna hammer up the left. Yeah, that'll work. Take the right. And see what this looks like. Yeah, stay to the left. Yeah. And I want to go to the right. There we go. Piece of cake. Woo! I think left is better.
just don't do. So let's step it up a notch. We can do it.
Kind of reminds me of some of those parts on the Idaho BDR.
Yes, we do it.
Let's take the high road. So if you start a hill climb up here, looks like the left is going to be my track. Maybe. I think the right would have been better. A few bowling balls there. I think the right track. Yeah. I think the right track looks like my line. Come on, Gavin, get some speed going. Go, go, go. I'll stay in the right. And move to the left. Good line. Let's see. Yeah, I think the left is fine. Yeah, let's go left. Now we just stay left. There we go. See where this thing goes. I think missed my line. That's alright. It's just right through there. Look good? Good. And looks like back to the right. Yeah. Let's see here. Definitely right. Yeah. Yeah. It's easy to forget looking up. All right. I think the left. Or maybe just up the middle. Split the difference, that's good. Yeah. All right. There's the line. Telephone Canyon. Huh. Alright. About 15 miles from the southern end of Old Ore. And went through the first part. It's a fun ride. Some a little bit technical, but here comes the other guys. David, Tim. Well, look like the left line's better, but we'll bust through here. Alright, where am I going here? Back to the right, obviously. See the cactus. I should have stayed right.
We're trouble in sight. Beating hearts don't lie. An empty page, a story to write.
I'll try to go left.
And it's all in our sights. We're going away.
And
Get your bag.
back to the right.
Decision is made. Lock your door. Need no more. It's already paid.
There we go.
Cancel your
And
It's a
looks like the right's still the best track. Looks like the left is gonna be the one if I can stay up in it. Back to the right. Yeah. See where this thing's going. To the left. There we go. Good. There's the boys. Got David on a WR250. Got Tim on a Tenere, Super Tenere. They're both very good riders. Trying to stay out of the dust. I guess I'll go stay in the right track. Got about 13 more miles to go. I think the left track would have been better, but it's okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. Left track. Alright, what am I fine. I'll go to the right track here. Let's see. Over the rocks. Whoops. Whoop. Whoop. Another nice rock garden. I guess we're on the right road. Loose gravel here. Oh crap! Stick save. Stick save. Yeah. Trying to cross trails over that soft stuff without enough speed. Let's see what it looks like here. Little steps, and looks like right up there. Yeah, yeah. I think I'm gonna go left track. Yeah. You gotta stay far enough behind in case someone drops their bike. Stop. Alright, looks like we go down here to the left. There we go. digging this track. I can't see what's coming around the bend. Boom. Little steps. That to the left. Alright, beautiful. Beautiful. Suspension's doing great. Boy, look at that view. Wow. Guess we're gonna go down and around. Man, that's pretty. Wow. Obviously left. Little steps. A washout. Little steppy stones. Alright. Then we're gonna go left. Or through the middle, whichever works best. There we go. Big drop, woohoo! Holy Toledo. Big rocks. I didn't play that one very good. I got my trash control on level 1. Yesterday we were in deep sand, I had to turn it off. Lately out of sand. Well, level 1's pretty good for this right here. And I'm doing manual shifting on my DCT. I'm letting it select the gears for me. I think the left track is the best, but that's alright. Let's see. Oh, yeah. They go up the hill. There's a little sandy patch back there, but that one, ooh, isn't that beautiful? Look at that, man. Wow. Beautiful. Good riding partners right there. No one gets too spread out, that's good. People have been pretty nice about pulling over. Letting us pass both ways, but thank you. Ooh, bicycle. Them boys getting in shape right there. Yeah, look, David's nice. He lets them pass. Alright, we got about another 4 or 5 miles to go. And I think most of us are going to look like this. Realize my chin strap's not fastened, so oh my god, I was holding the helmet on. Isn't that pretty? Pretty. That poor iPhone just takes the beating. Been on so many off-road rides. The X doesn't last very long because of that camera, but man, that 8, it's an iPhone 8. Man, it's built up well to all this abuse. Probably had it now about 2 years with this type of abuse. Man. Ooh, there's Mexico over there. Mexico! And back to the highway. We did it. Old Door Road. It gives you your money's worth.
Yeah, but it's nice to get away from everybody.
It is, yeah. The
Yeah.
freaking side by sides out there, man. Last time we went, a friend of ours got hit.
Still burning barrels?
Oh, well, they got full.
Good to me.
Perfect.